In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in PowerPoint. Flowcharts can be a pivotal tool in visualizing processes, plans, hierarchical information, or decision trees in presentations. PowerPoint offers a quick and integrated approach to constructing these diagrams through its Smart Art feature. Whether you're preparing a presentation for a business meeting, an academic course, or a personal project, mastering how to efficiently create a flowchart in PowerPoint can significantly enhance your ability to communicate complex information clearly and effectively. Let's dive into the process. First things first, we need to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Simply click on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop, or search for it in your computer's program list and open it. This takes you to the very starting point of creating any PowerPoint presentation. Once you've got PowerPoint open, it's time to open the specific file you're working on. You can do this from the opening screen by clicking on Open Other Presentations and navigating to your desired file. If you're starting a new project, you may choose to create a new presentation instead. This provides a blank canvas for you to start crafting your flowchart. After opening or creating a new file, the next step is to navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of the interface. This tab is where the magic begins. It hosts a variety of tools that allow you to add various types of content into your slides, including Smart Art, which is our key ingredient for making flowcharts. Upon clicking on Insert, look for the Smart Art button. It's typically located in the Illustrations group. Clicking this button will open a new window, which showcases a library of Smart Art graphics assorted into different categories, such as list, process, cycle, and so forth. For our purpose, you'll want to focus on the process category. Now, within the process category, you'll see an array of flowchart options. Each option is designed to illustrate different types of processes or sequences. Take a moment to scroll through these options. Hovering over them will give you a preview and a brief description of their best use case. Once you find the flowchart design that suits your needs best, click on it to select it and then click the OK button. Congratulations, you've now inserted a basic flowchart into your PowerPoint slide. But we're not quite done yet. The real power of Smart Art lies in its flexibility and customizability. You can add or delete shapes, change the color scheme, and adapt the flowchart to perfectly match the needs of your presentation. You can easily edit the text within each shape by clicking on it and typing your content. To add more shapes or steps to your flowchart, you can either right-click on an existing shape and use the Add Shape feature, or use the Smart Art Design tab that appears at the top of PowerPoint when you select your Smart Art. Remember, the key to an effective flowchart is clarity and simplicity. You want your audience to instantly grasp the process you're presenting without getting overwhelmed by too much text or complicated visuals. Play around with the design elements such as color and shape styles, available under the Smart Art Design tab, to enhance the visual appeal of your flowchart and make it as informative and engaging as possible. Creating a flowchart in PowerPoint might seem intricate at first, but once you familiarize yourself with where everything is and how it works, it becomes a straightforward task. Use these steps as a guideline to explore and exploit the full potential of PowerPoint's Smart Art feature for your next presentation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a flowchart in PowerPoint. By mastering this simple yet powerful tool, you're now well equipped to deliver presentations that are not only visually appealing, but also convey complex processes in an easy to understand format. So go ahead, give it a try on your next project, and watch how it transforms your presentations into more effective and engaging pieces. Keep practicing, and soon, crafting flowcharts in PowerPoint will be second nature to you. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I look forward to helping you gain more skills in the future.